We chase the hush, the sacred space, but life keeps pace, no slowing grace. Engines hum and inbox sings, a world ablaze with endless things. We wake to noise, we sleep in light, thoughts racing hard through every night. The mind, a wheel that never stops, spinning tales on endless loops. Just 5 more likes, then I'll sit still. 1 more scroll, then I'll feel fulfilled. But ego grins, it knows the game. It whispers soft and speaks our name. It paints the world in urgent hues, in breaking news and point of views. Don't miss a thing, it likes to say. Your peace can wait another day. It dresses up in wise disguise, pretends it's truth behind your eyes. But ego thrives on one disguise, a mind that never questions why. We try to breathe, to drop the mask, but silence is no easy task. It's not a switch, it's not a sound. Its presence felt when self unbounds. It asks you not to fight or flee, but just observe and let it be. To zoom out wide from mental streams, to hover over passing dreams. Let thoughts arise, but do not bite. Just let them drift into the night. They're clouds, not chains. They pass, they go, but grab one tight, and chaos grows. The stillness comes without a shout. No booming voice to cast doubt out. It's not a sign, it's not a flash. It's not some gold the soul must stash. It's spaciousness, the softest breeze, the ache that lifts when judgment leaves. It's quiet, not of outer kind, but womb-like peace within the mind. No headlines there, no great reveal, just breath, just being, just the real. You feel the whole, you lose the me, and touch a calm infinity. So linger there, outside the spin. Let silence rise and pull you in. No need to grasp, no need to prove. Just be the stillness. Let it move. And when the noise comes back to play, just smile and softly drift away.